Get ready for an exciting exploration of artificial intelligence in this video presentation. Within minutes, we'll unravel its fascinating concepts and discover ways it can shape our world. Explore how AI unlocks the extraordinary power of machines to learn, adapt, and revolutionize how we live and work. If you want to access this presentation with appealing graphics and visuals, download it from the given link. Understand how AI uses machine learning algorithms to enable machines to learn, reason, and make intelligent decisions. Get an overview of deep learning, a cutting-edge branch of AI that mimics the human brain's neural networks, enabling computers to learn and make complex decisions. This presentation takes a deeper dive into the subject, shedding light on the practical applications of AI. If you want a content-ready PPT deck to clear the AI concepts, download this resource from the link. Discover real-life applications of AI in areas such as human resources in complete employee life cycle. In banking, AI is leveraged for tasks like fraud detection. Some of these industries will never be the same again. AI-enabled chatbots are already revolutionizing patient care by delivering personalized support, accurate medical information, and efficient healthcare services. Furthermore, gain access to the latest insights on the exponential growth of AI, including global revenue figures, penetration rates, and deployment percentages across countries and functional domains. Don't miss out on accessing this highly sought-after PPT deck on artificial intelligence. Download now. Looking for more? Join us in this presentation as we explore the latest AI trends you should follow. For a wide range of such unique resources, visit www.slideteam.net.